definitely get funded, guys. Like, when I first heard about getting funded, it was funny. I was like, oh man, like these people, they want me to get funded. I was watching other people on YouTube and stuff. I was like, oh, they want me to get funded just because they get paid from when I get funded. That's what I was thinking. Like, that's why they want me to get funded. And then when I learned, like, 1 week I could have like $1,000 in my name, and then in 3 days I could have 2.5 million to trade with, and my trading skills are high. I understand logically how to grow an account, and I can make 50K that week. My whole life can change like that. I can take, I'll do the math on it. I'm gonna remove these drawings. Let's say I have, let's just say I have 1 mil. Like, I won't even use all the funding. Let's say I have 1 mil, right? I have 1 mil. 1% of a million is, drop all 2 zeros, 10K. All right, 1% of a mil is that, and then 10% of a mil is 100K. All right. So these brokers, these prop firms and stuff, like, they'll give you a mil because most traders don't know how to trade. They're not thinking logically, they're thinking emotionally. So the house always wins. So, like, there's not going to be a lot of viewers here. Like, a lot of people are not going to learn the stuff you guys are learning. And if it ever gets too mainstream, I may even take it down. I don't know. But the people who are learning it, it's going to be great for you guys. Like, you're just going to learn a lot of secrets. But, yeah, so you have $1 million, right? 1% of the 1 mil is $10,000. So beginning of the week, you had $1,000 in your account or whatever you had. And then now, 3 days later, you have $1 million account. You're sitting with $1 million account. And let's say now, your goal is just to grow that account 1% a week. If you're just growing your account 1% a week, and you see from the trades we hit yesterday, so we came through, we traded, and we hit this trade right here. This trade was 1.65% trade. And we hit 2 of those trades. We hit a trade on gold too, I think. Let's see how much that trade was. And gold's still going crazy. So the trade on gold, we hit another 1.19% trade. 1.20%. So go right here. That's like 2.3%. Like, I'm gonna take away some points because I don't do math. Let's just say let's say that was 2%. I really don't want to do too much. So we just made 2% in 1 day of trading. So we made 20K that day. Now, most people don't make 20K for like half a year of work, 3 months of work. So to go from having $1,000 to making 20K in a day is huge. Only risking a small amount of your account. And if you were trading properly, if you were trading using what all the risk management I just taught you, you're risking 1% to make. So you risk that 1% to make 3%. So that 3% is 30K. So now you made 30K on first trade. And this is how you can change your life really quick, guys, from trading. Like, I may upload this video later. I actually will, because a lot of people, and then, like, I used to work hourly, and it's not the way ever to work. Because, I mean, you have to do it to get enough money to do stuff like this, and to pay for this knowledge. Just like, but once I pay for this knowledge, I can share it now. So trade 2, you hit that. So total, 1 day, you made 60K. Right? That's day 1. Now let's take day 2. Let's say day 2, we take a trade, right? Trade 1, we risk the same 10%, I mean 1%, which is 10K. So let's say we lose that trade, right? Let's say we lose both trades on the next day. Like, but that's not, that doesn't happen. Let's say we lose 1 trade though. We lose 1 trade, so now we're minus 10K. and now your account is what, 50K in profit still. So you're still 50K in profit. We could even lose a trade too. We don't do this, but I try to give out the best signals for you guys, but just to show you guys how math works. And you can lose and still be profitable and make money. It's not about all being 100% right. Trading is never about that. It's about being 80%, 60%, 50%, being above 50% right. That's all trading is about. You can even be 30% right. There's a trader who's 10% right and he's up 400 million. He's only right 10% of the time or 4% of the time. I'll play his story and I'm going to do the math on him actually out there. And so let's say you lose that trade too, and now we're up $40,000 after day 2. Now day 3 comes, and copy this to make my life easier. And trade 1, we hit trade 1 for 30K. That brings us to 80K. And then we lose the second trade and brings us back down to 70K. And I'm not even going to finish the week, but this is what your weeks start to look like when you get $1 million funded account. And then, so now you're up 70K for the week, and then they pay you. I think you get paid 80% of that. So if you do a 100K a week, you're making 80K like paid out to your account in cash. All because you traded smart, you traded right, you didn't get emotional, and you did everything the correct way. So that's how your life changes. This is why like you see a lot of traders giving away money. I'm gonna be doing giveaways. I'm gonna give away money. I'm gonna be doing more fancy stuff. But I like to live like just a low key life and just chill out and take care of my family more than like chasing going to the Louis store and buying all these like brands that don't know my name. So I like to do stuff like that. But you can do whatever. Like I prefer you guys buy real estate. Once you start getting money, you just keep buying houses and real estate, and just invest it for a long term, and you build generational wealth. That's what I teach. But you can do whatever you want with the money, spend it however you like. Because once you're making this type of money, your whole life is a little bit different. You pay your taxes, make sure you're paying your taxes and stuff. And this is how life can change when you have $1 million account. So. I want to show you guys the guy who he's 4% accurate. He's up 200 million. Alright, so I can't find him. So basically it's like this guy, this trader, he only hits 4% of his trades. He's 4% right. He's up 400 million in his trading career. Now let's go to a simulator right here. This is how it works. If he's only 4% right, let's say he got a 100K account, and then go 35 trades. I know he's going for like at least 50X's or more. So he's risking his doing proper risk. So this shows you can be 4% correct on your trades. If you go for huge trades, you're going to be able to go up over time. Like these equity curves are like, so this is not, he's actually going for, he's going for bigger trades. Oh, I know why actually. I gotta do 100 trades. Yeah, so this is how his account grows. He's prepared. He takes his 100 trades always. You got to take your 100 trades because you're 4%, right? So you can't just take 20 trades. You have to take 100 trades. And this is going for 200x on your trades. Like, he's probably going for like 50x. That he can't even go for 50x. He's probably going for 100. Nope, he's going for 200x. So he's 200% return on his money, or he's going for 200x return. So he puts in $1, he wants to see back $200 every time he trades. And he made 400 million following that strategy. So he looked for trades where he can make 20 bucks off of $1, or 20,000 off 1,000, whatever it is. And he looked for those trades all day. That's not his whole account. He's prepared to lose 96 trades out of 100 just to make those 4 trades. And when he makes those 4 trades, his account goes up always. So he's using math. Like, all the top traders understand this. They understand math. What you guys learn is very advanced right now. Like, you're learning very advanced stuff, and it's gonna be able to change your life. So, but he uses math, and his money always goes up. So I thought it was cool. Like, I found the story like on Instagram. I was watching a story. I wanted to show you guys. Let me see if I saved it. Actually, I want to show you guys this video. YouTube, don't flag me. I don't own this. But let's see if I can find a video for you guys. Yeah. I'm pretty sure I saved it. Yeah, I didn't save it. But yeah, like, you don't have to be 100% trader. You really don't. I made this page right here for you guys, where you guys can do stuff like get funded accounts. You can get the free signal group here on this page. The link is in the bio on TikTok, and the links in the below for you guys. But you can get free signals. You can get the free signals, basically 1 to 2 signals a day. You get those signals, and you can grow an account at a fair speed. Paid signals, I give out 10 plus signals a day. So now you're growing your account way faster than you would on free, 5 times faster, 6 times faster. So you can grow account faster with the paid signals, and it's a little bit more bonuses with that. But then on top of that, you guys can get funded accounts. So you can get funded for $2 million on using this link right here to fund your account for $2 million. So let's say this week you don't have money, you don't have millions of dollars, but you want to make 60K a week. Instead of getting a leveraged account or using leverage, I would prefer you get a funded account, and it's still leverage and same rules apply, but you'll be able to make more money and actually cash it out. So you can get funded for 2.4 mil. You use both of these, sign up for both. In 1 to 3 days, you get funded for the 2.4 mil. There's no credit checks, none of that, anything like that. You can get funded, and now you have a 2.5 mil account. And you can grow it. We grow accounts, 10% a week. If we do a 10% a week on 2.5 mil, you're getting 250K on an account. If you grow your account just 1% that week, you're making 25K. So if we hit 2 trades, just gain 2% gains. And you guys see the trades we did on the free signals, they're bigger than that. But those 2 little trades would have made you 50K this week. So you can make 50K a week easily. That's how traders make 50K a week, 60K a week. They're buying cars, buying houses and stuff. That's how they would do. The trading lifestyle is very lucrative once you understand the math and you know how to make it pay for itself. So I recommend that. Gotta drink water. See what else we got. This is the leverage trading. 1,000x leverage they give. So you get 1,000x leverage, and you get the bonus on this one. This one's for a trade copier. So if you don't have much time to trade a big account or something, whatever, put your money in, deposit, take the same trades that I take on my account, and you can grow an account that way. It's a cool way to grow. Then we got risk management, and the risk management is where I go over the math. So If you go there, I have books, I've typed the numbers. I made a cheat sheet for you guys, so you can use the cheat sheet to do the math simply, and you'll learn everything about risk management there. We got trading psychology for the mindset you need to have to be trading, chart pattern mastery, market cycle, how to grow a small account is good too. It'll teach you how to do the math also in that. Indicators, charts, YouTube channel and stuff. All right, so the risk management. It'll explain what a pip is. So if you guys don't know what a pip is, you can go over there and learn exactly what a pip is. But one pip equals 10 ticks, and a tick depends on your broker. So different brokers have different tick sizes. Sometimes a tick is 1 penny. Sometimes a tick is 10 cents. Sometimes it's $1. So you want to a tick is each time the chart moves one click up and down. So you want to look at the chart, see how it's moving, and understand what a tick is. So now this goes into the next thing. Now you guys understand the tick. Let me know in the chat if you want me to explain it better. So now you know what a tick is.